In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a city location to your profile in Facebook. So first, go to your main profile page, and then go and click Edit Profile, and then scroll down, and you will see here Details. At Details, click on Current City, and then scroll down here. Here you'll have the option to edit both the current city and hometown. So let's first go to the current city, and here you're just gonna add your city. I'll just choose, for example, New York. Okay, there you go. So you have this whole list. I'm gonna choose New York, and then you could also adjust who can see where you're living. You could adjust the privacy, and then you click Save. And then here it's just telling you if you would like to make a post about this, but that's not necessary. So now you could also adjust the hometown. So click Add Hometown. Let's say you're originally from somewhere else, like Toronto. And here you have the options here. Just click Toronto or whatever. You could also the same way adjust the privacy of this information, and then click Save. And if you go back, you'll see that you have added these details to your profile. You have to refresh first, and then you will notice it. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.